Intro. Hey MindForgers! Welcome back to the channel where curiosity meets cutting-edge brain tech. If you've ever wished you could boost your memory, learn faster, or break bad habits that feel impossible to shake, guess what? You totally can, and it's all thanks to something called neuroplasticity. That's right, your brain is not stuck the way it is right now. It's constantly changing, rewiring, and adapting, and today, we're diving into the fascinating science behind it, plus real-world tips for actually rewiring your brain to work better for you. Whether you want better focus, stronger learning skills, or just a more powerful mindset, the secret weapon is already inside your skull. Let's hack the human mind, starting now. What is neuroplasticity? So what exactly is neuroplasticity? Break the word down. Neuro means brain, and plasticity means the ability to change. Neuroplasticity is your brain's incredible ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. It's how you learn new skills, remember things, or recover after injury. Here's the cool part: your brain isn't fully hardwired like a computer. It's more like wet clay, soft, moldable, and always changing based on what you do, think, and experience. For example, if you start learning a new language or practicing an instrument, your brain literally builds new pathways to support that skill. The more you practice, the stronger those neural pathways become. And the opposite is true too. If you stop using certain mental pathways, your brain starts trimming them away. That's called synaptic pruning. This is amazing news because it means you're never stuck with the brain you have today. You can train it, reshape it, and build a better version of yourself over time. Fun fact: scientists used to believe neuroplasticity stopped in childhood, but research now shows the brain can change at any age, even in your 70s or 80s. That's how stroke survivors learn to walk again. It's how people overcome phobias. And it's how you can train your brain to unlock your potential. How your brain rewires itself. Let's look at how this works. Your brain is made of about 86 billion neurons, tiny cells that send messages to each other through connections called synapses. When you learn something new, practice a skill, or even think a certain thought repeatedly, you're strengthening the synapses between specific neurons. It's like building a road. The more cars or thoughts travel that road, the stronger and faster it becomes. This is why habits are so powerful. Your brain starts forming shortcuts for anything you do regularly, good or bad. Now here's where things get even cooler. There are two types of neuroplasticity. Functional plasticity, when undamaged parts of your brain take over for damaged parts. Structural plasticity, when your brain actually grows new connections based on learning or experience. Want proof? A famous study on London taxi drivers showed that their hippocampus, the brain's navigation center, was larger than average, thanks to years of memorizing the city's streets. That's physical brain growth based on mental effort. Even athletes, musicians, and gamers show brain changes in areas related to their skills. That means when you practice coding, sports, math, music, or Minecraft, you're reshaping your brain. So the question becomes, what kind of brain do you want to build? Teen superpower: your brain is at its peak plasticity. Here's the best news of all: if you're a teenager, your brain is in its prime time for neuroplasticity. That's because the teen brain is still developing, especially the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making, planning, and self-control. This means every new experience, every choice, and every habit you build is laying down the foundation for your adult brain. Right now, your brain is a super sponge, soaking up languages, ideas, emotions, and patterns. What you do today shapes the brain you'll carry into the future. That's not pressure, it's power. Want to become a faster learner, a deeper thinker, a better problem solver? Start building those circuits now. And the best part, you don't need fancy tech or a lab coat. You just need curiosity, consistency, and a little bit of challenge. A MindForge experiment. Let's try a MindForge mini experiment to see neuroplasticity in action. The challenge: mirror writing. Here's what to do. 1. Grab a piece of paper and a pen. To set a timer for 2 minutes. 3. Try to write your name with your non-dominant hand in mirror writing backwards. It'll feel weird and awkward at first. Your brain's not used to this. But if you do it every day for a week, you'll notice it gets easier. Why? Because your brain is literally building a new circuit for this skill. That's neuroplasticity in action. You can try this with brushing your teeth with the opposite hand, typing a sentence backwards, learning to juggle Challenge your brain in new ways, and it will adapt just like a muscle. Try it and let us know in the comments how it goes. The future of brain hacking. Now imagine combining neuroplasticity with technology. We're talking about brain training apps powered by AI, wearable neurotech that stimulates learning, virtual reality environments that accelerate mental growth. This is the future of education therapy and personal growth. In fact, researchers are developing transcranial stimulation devices that's tech that uses gentle electric currents to boost learning speed. Others are creating neurofeedback headsets that train your brain to enter focus mode on command. These tools are designed to make the most of your brain's natural plasticity. And the more we understand how the brain learns, the better we'll be at designing tools to help it grow. But remember, no tech is more powerful than your own effort and mindset. Neuroplasticity begins with you. Your habits, your choices, your thoughts. That's what shapes the future of your mind. Outgrow. So MindForgers, you are not stuck with the brain you have. It's changing every single day. And the best part, you're the one holding the remote control. You can build better focus, break old habits, learn faster, think smarter, all by understanding and using the power of neuroplasticity. Want more experiments, brain hacks, and the latest brain tech breakdowns? Then make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that like, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new MindForge video. And if you try today's mirror writing challenge or start your own brain building habit, let us know in the comments. Because here at MindForge, we believe your brain is the most powerful technology you'll ever own, and it's time to unlock it. See you in the next one.